Hi guys, welcome back. I am doing a book. I had a really hard time picking out a book because I find it like sacrilegious to take a book that I spent money on and turn it into something something that can't be opened. But I managed to find discrete mathematics from my college days. I think I spent like $35 on this and it was used at the time. But anyway, I did it. I took some black tissue paper and I covered the entire book. Like I said, the book will be sealed so that you can't open it. But I pushed it in, tucked it in, and then this paper got glued to it. I wonder if I did the same thing with the back piece. Yeah, it did. But anyway, here's my plan. I'm going to put my eye right in the center. And then I have my spooky Book of Spells title. I took cardstock and I took 4 layers. And I glued them all together, one at a time. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so now what I want to do is try to create like a tree that looks like a hand coming over to grab the book to keep it so that it can't be opened unless you know the spell. So I've got 5 fingers here. And I'm going to wrap each one with some aluminum foil. I don't know really how I'm going to do it yet. So I guess I'll fold it in half. And I don't know how long it's going to be. So I'll just wrap this up here. Just like that. Have this flat at the bottom because I want to tuck it underneath. This is kind of fun. You know, I don't decorate for Halloween. And in where I live, there are no kids. Well, there are kids, but they don't trick-or-treat here in this neighborhood. We've lived here, oh gosh, 15 years now, and we've never had a trick-or-treater. Isn't that a shame? Where you know, years ago when I lived somewhere else, I had trick-or-treaters, and that was fun. I would even dress up. Since I have a big witch's nose anyways, that was my favorite character to dress up as. Plus, my son always called me a witch. And we have a thing about British humor. So there's a line in Monty Python. We have a witch. May we burn her? My son would say that all the time. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, I think I got that. Now what I need is a bunch of paper towels. And I need some water and some glue. I'm just using Elmer's school glue. I don't know what I'm doing, So I have no idea how much glue I need. So are you guys all big Halloween people? Do you love being scared to death? I am not one of those people. I was traumatized as a child, let me tell you. I do not like being scared. You know when people come up and try to startle you? I don't like that. I used to think that there were demons everywhere waiting to get me. And honestly, I did have a good childhood. I just had a brother who was just horrible. So hopefully someone can relate and understand what I'm going through. I'm just, yeah, I don't like being scared. I'm not into witches or witchcraft or anything like that. I just kind of got hooked on making that creepy eyeball after making the potion bottles, and I thought I have to do something. So then I had to go search for a book that I could destroy. So as you can see, I'm using everything that I've already got in the house. I'm, you know, not going out and spending any money. So now what I think I need to do is take this and just put it in here, get it all nice and soppy wet, and then try to open it. There, does that look like a bumpy knuckled tree? So now, let's slide this in, just so we can get a placement. The cats must have been up here on the table. His eyelashes are all beat up, which is okay. That's what I wanted anyway. And let's place my fingers are all sticky with that glue. P-E-L-L-S. Now I'm going to cut the ring off of this spider. Okay, I got some tacky glue. I'll let this all dry. Then I'll come back with some hot glue and we'll put this on somewhere. This is ready. Now, my letters are too pristine, so I'm going to just bang it with my texture hammer. Just give them some make them look old and dented. Time to paint. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back and we'll start adding some wood tones. And then we'll seal it. Alright, we're a little close to the camera, but I'm going to see what happens if I put some coffee bean brown on the edge, on the pages. I don't like the whiteness of the page, so I'm just going to make it look like it's a little older. Oh yeah, I like that. That's much better. Oh, my paint's not dry yet down in there. That's okay. It adds character, right? I think I should be wearing a mask. Okay, that's enough of that. Now, let's see here. I've got dark chocolate from Deco Art, a little burnt sienna from Deco Art, and I've got honey brown from Deco Art, and light mocha from Apple Barrel. So the first thing I'm going to hit is the dark, and we'll build our way up. So I'm just going to, a little bit of paint on both sides. It's not fully loaded. And I'm just going to start brushing across the grain, as it were. I'm laying my brush kind of flat against the piece, as flat as I can get it. Okay, I'm not going to clean my paintbrush. I'm going to go right into the burnt sienna. You can use any color you want, actually, as long as it's, you can go with a gray tone so that it looks like it's dead. Probably what I should have done. That looks pretty good. And let's do a little silver. If I have any left. Oh, I think I have some. I think we're ready for the eye. I need to hold this up for a sec. This is looking pretty cool. This looks awesome. Okay, I just need to go in. Get rid of my silver marks here. This is looking pretty hot, if I do say so myself. Toot toot. I'm tooting my own horn here. That looks neat. There you go, guys. My very first book of spells. Chock full of mathematics. Oh, I like it. That is just, can't believe I did that. Looks pretty good. All right. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.